Guys, welcome to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video, basically, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the bulbs in almost any car, in the roof in particular. So inside the roof lining, there's lights that open when the door opens, when you pull the hood visor down to look at your face. There's those lights. People do like to change them as they do come in this orangey colour. People like to change them to ice white. Other people have known to change them to blue. I'm not sure why you do that, but a lot of people like to change them anyway. So basically, the method for changing the bulbs. This one is a BMW we're working on, and this one came out the top. So all we did was we got a screwdriver and we made sure not to take this main plate off, but instead to get it underneath the roof lining, like almost inside. And as you can see, there's clips, so if you just put a little bit of pressure onto it very, very gently, this does just pop out. And there was a little socket in there, and all we done with that socket was grabbed it with both hands, grabbed it like this almost, squeezed it together and pulled it back. So this was the centerpiece. This one is the wind visor. This is a BMW, as I mentioned. So this was the wind visor. We've done the same thing for this, except the cable was there. When we put it back in, we're going to make sure the cable goes that way in the roof lining and not round here. So the bulb method for replacing this one here is almost easy. All you do is, if I just do it gently, then you might be able to see the bulb fall out. There we are. All I done was just move this back a slight touch. I didn't want to overdo anything, and it just popped out itself. So these bulbs are almost brand new, perfectly fine, not an issue with them, but the customer wants them out. So all I'll do now to put this one back in is plug it back in and connect it back up. Obviously it's not going to work because there's no bulb. So here, a lot of people on YouTube recommend just pulling the bulb out from there or taking the face off. You can do that if you want to take the risk of damaging the face. This customer had damaged the face down here. However, we have tried to get it into place a little bit, but as you can see, just a light bit of pressure, it pops back out. The quickest method for repairing that now would be just to put a bit of glue on it and make sure it doesn't sink through so you can't see it onto the face. So to take the bulbs out, it is pretty simple here. All you've got to do is just grab hold of the bulb and twist it. You do have to put a little bit of pressure on them, and as you can see, there's one bulb out. And to get the bulb out of here, all you have to do is just pull it. So if I just pull, I just have to take it away from the camera a second while I pull it out. As you can see, there's the bulb. Put that down there, and there's the holder. So you might be thinking, the metal's a bit bent, why is it like that? That's nothing to worry about. It's just where it slides back in. There's two connectors here, and it'll just tap into them. That isn't no fault of yours. They're not supposed to be straight. So you just use the same method for all three. And as you can see, they don't require too much force on them. They are pretty simple to come out. So we've got them all out there. We'll take the bulbs out, put the holders back in. As you can see, the bulb's out of there, so I'll just put this holder back in as such, and it'll just twist in like that. So I'll get the other ones done, and I'll connect the socket back up to there. I'll then put this in gently and it'll all be fine. However, if you didn't understand what I meant by taking it out, I'll just give you a quick demonstration now. So as you can see, this one's still in. This one has bulb already been taken out, because when I open that, there's no light coming on. So all we meant is, if you just very gently, you don't have to use the screwdriver. If you've got a plastic prying tool, I would recommend that. So all you got to do is just very gently, and you just got to give it a little bit of pressure. If you can see there, it's just starting to come apart, and then you just work your way all the way around and it will just pop out. If you got any questions, just message. Thank you.